Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Honda CRV headlight bulb. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and your new headlight bulb. Make sure your engine is off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Now, open the hood of your Honda CRV and locate the headlight assembly that needs a new bulb. This easy method will save you time and a trip to the mechanic. Next, we need to access the bulb. You'll typically find 2 or 3 screws securing the headlight assembly in place. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove them. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward. This creates enough space to work. Remember to disconnect any electrical connectors attached to the assembly before proceeding. Now it's time for the actual bulb replacement. Twist the old bulb's socket counterclockwise to release it from the headlight housing. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out from its socket. When inserting the new bulb, be sure to avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Align the tabs and push it firmly into place. Finally, let's put everything back together. Reconnect all the electrical connectors to the headlight assembly. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original position, ensuring it sits flush. Secure it firmly with the 2 or 3 screws you removed earlier. Once everything is tightened, turn on your Honda CRV and test the new headlight to confirm it's working perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.